What's up? What's up? It's your man, Jimmy Chan. All right, so this problem here, we are given the direction to use the quadratic formula to solve this equation. And again, I would have known that we had a quadratic equation because I had a square term and an equal sign, right? So I gotta get everything on one side anyways. So this tells me to use the quadratic formula. But first, I need to get it into standard form, meaning get everything to one side, highest power to the lowest power. So I want to bring everything to the left because the x squared term is positive there, and I want to keep the x squared term positive. So I'm going to have a 4x squared minus a 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So with that being said, I see that my a is equal to 4. My b is equal to negative 3. And my c is equal to 1. So when I look at the quadratic formula, and if you guys can't remember it, I find that if you connect a song with the quadratic formula, it tends to help. So you might want to go on YouTube and just search for quadratic formula songs, and there's a gazillion of them out there. And feel free to play with some of them and then see which one catches your brain. All right, your mind. So here we go. So we got x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And I do not like what my b looks like here. That's fair enough. All right, so let's go ahead and plug those in. So x is equal to, so this right here, guys, says negate b. So whatever b is, use the opposite sign. So since my b is a negative 3, negate b would tell me that this is going to be a positive 3. Plus or minus all right, so b squared, negative 3 squared would be 9, minus 4 times a times c, and my a is 4, and my c is 1, and it's all over 2 times a, which is 4. All right, so one of the things I always tell my students is that, hey, if you're going to use your calculator at all, only put in what's underneath the radical. Do not put the radical in whatsoever, only what is underneath the radical. So in your calculator, you just want to do 9 minus 4 times 4 times 1. All right, that's all you want to do. All right, so if I do that, I'm going to get x is equal to, I think this could be smaller, 3 plus or minus the square root of, and what did we get here? Negative 7, is that what we got? Okay, doke. So this could be way shorter then. And then the 2 times 4 is going to give me 8. Well, we can split that up. So this is actually going to be 3 plus or minus I square root of 7. All over 8. And that would be my answer, and that is choice D. And there we go. All right, let's see here. There we go. And if there's any questions, please let me know. Talk to you later. See ya.